Now, Twitter finally has decided to blink over the new IT law. Microblogging site Twitter on Sunday appointed a resident grievance officer for India. After a long spell of a face-off with the union government, the tech giant has named Vinay Prakash. Vinay Prakash will be the officer as per the mandate under the new information technology laws in India. On the website, Twitter has named Vinay Prakash as the resident grievance officer, providing an email contact address of the newly appointed officer. The appointment comes amid a huge standoff, remember, for the past few months now, with the government at the centre, literally from the month of March when the new rules came into effect. Twitter has been in the eye of the storm, specifically because of its alleged failure to comply with the new IT rules in India. The company has also published its compliance report for the period of May 26th to June 25th. Now remember, there was another key requirement under the new rules that came on May 26th. Twitter had previously appointed Dharmendra Chatur as the interim resident grievance officer, not a permanent one. Chatur stepped down last month, and since then there has been Twitter and the union government at a face-off. Manas is joining me for the latest on that. Manas, so it appears finally a resident grievance officer has been appointed. Give us more details.
I think this saga had gone on for too long for anyone's comfort, but now that we have a grievance officer in India, it should finally settle down. So the new IT rules had asked all the social media companies with more than 50 lakh users to appoint 3 officers in India, all of which had to be the residents of India as well. And that's when Twitter had appointed Dharmendra Chatur, but he decided to leave, after which we had Jeremy Kessel as the new grievance officer. Now, with him, the thing was that he was not a resident of India. And that meant that this appointment was not in line with the new IT rules. And that move did not go down well with the government as well as the court. The Delhi High Court, in fact, had asked Twitter last week itself to clarify why it is not appointing a new grievance officer and how much time will it take, to which Twitter had said that it will take about 8 weeks to make these new appointments. And it has already started the process of making offers. And now we finally have Vinay Prakash, who is based out of Bangalore, as the new grievance officer in India. And his mandate will include addressing the queries of Twitter users in India. So I think now, for now, at least we can expect that this entire matter will calm down and will settle down for now.
All right, and perhaps the union government will have an officer from the Twitter to directly contact with regard to some user-generated content. Thank you so much, Manas, for all the latest on that.